Baby Panda's Cafe. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead. Hi.
Hi. Hi, I want to order some food, please.
What's good here?
I'll have a slice of pizza.
I want to have some ice cream. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Spread a layer of sauce on the dough. What toppings do you want to put? Tomato, mushroom, bacon, mushrooms, tomato. With cheese, it'll taste even better. Put the pizza into the pizza oven and bake it. Wow, you've made a delicious pizza. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Wow, the ice cream looks really yummy. Add syrup and it'll taste even better. Add some delicious toppings. You've made a sweet and delicious ice cream. Here's your order. Ice cream, pizza, ice cream. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead. Hurry.
Hi, I want to order some food, please.
What kind of drinks do
You know how to
have?
make good food.
Here's a coin.
I'll have a cup of coffee.
I'll have some fruit juice. This is what the customer ordered. What fruit juice do you want to make? Kiwi. Hammy, pear. I can't wait to make some fruit juice. Whoa, the fruit juice is done. With ice, it'll taste even better. The delicious fruit juice is done. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Get ready to grind some coffee beans. Turn the lever to see what happens. Look, it's turned into powder. Heat it up a little bit more. There are many coffee cups. I'll pick one. It smells sweet. Lastly, decorate it nicely. Awesome. Fragrant coffee is done. Here's your order. Fruit juice. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead.
Hi! Hi, I want to order some food, please.
It's really
What's
delicious.
good here? Oh, the food is fantastic. Here's a coin.
Truck. Welcome. Cream cake. It's time to make a cake. Egg. Separate the yolk from the egg white. Milk. Melted butter. Milk. Sugar. Milk. Sugar. 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 Flour. Sip the flour to make the cake more delicious. Which utensil should we blender? And then let's add the whisked egg white. Next, let's pour the batter into the mold. Let's start baking the cake. Wow, the cake smells so good. We can now take the cake out. Decorate the cake with whipped cream. And then add a pretty ruffle to it. Wow, so many cute little dolls. Let's choose one and place it on the cake. Let's choose a glass of juice to make candy garnish. Green apple flavor. Sugar. Which shape of candy garnish are we going to make? let's decorate it. The candy garnish is ready. Last step, let's decorate the cake. The cream cake tastes as gorgeous as it looks. The guests are sure to love it.
This is so yummy!
Desserts are delicious, but you will have cavities if you eat too much desserts. Wow! You've got a bit. That's great! These are pieces of a dessert cart. The props are all here. Tap and check. Welcome!